such pride. No more running, no more racing, just a steady beat. Skipping to a happy song down the paper street. Oh, Lily and Rory, the perfect pair. Laughter is floating up in the air. Jumping to the rhythm, keeping it so sweet. Bouncing all together down the neon street. Yeah, with the two of them, the day is complete. Rory tells a silly joke, making Lily smile. They sit to watch the fluffy clouds for a little while. Purple hair and shiny cape, what a lovely sight. Everything they do together always turns out right. They are the best of friends in this cartoon town. As long as they are sharing smiles, they will never frown. Oh, Lily and Rory, the perfect pair. Laughter is floating up in the air. Jumping to the rhythm, keeping it so sweet. Bouncing all together down the neon street. Yeah, with the two of them, the day is complete. Step by step and side to side, nothing in this world to hide. Hand in hand, they lead the way, having such a perfect day. Oh, Lily and Rory, the perfect pair. Laughter is floating up in the air. Jumping to the rhythm, keeping it so sweet. Bouncing all together down the neon street. Yeah, with the two of them, the day is complete. Best friends forever. See you tomorrow. Walking out the door with a smile so bright. Purple braids shining in the morning light. Got a happy song playing in her head. Painting the whole town yellow, pink, and red. Every step she takes is a little dance, giving everyone a happy second chance. Oh, Lily is walking on the sunshine. Everything she does is look cape, flying purple hair in the breeze, walking down the avenue with absolute ease. Two best friends stepping out in the sun. Every single day is a whole lot of fun. Rory tells a story and Lily gives a smile, enjoying the weather for a little while. Oh, Lily and Rory walking down the street, moving to the rhythm, stepping to the beat. Catch the happy feeling, shining so bright. Everything together is perfectly right. Yeah, Lily and Rory, the ultimate team, living in a colorful, beautiful dream. Neon pink and the brightest red, nothing but a clear blue sky ahead. Taking every step with a happy little tune, singing out loud in the afternoon. They don't need to hurry, they are taking their time, making up the melody, finding a rhyme. Step to the left,